Hello! Welcome to our online English class. Phonics. TH sounds. Let's learn the words.
Let's read. A. Listen, point, and say.
TH. Thin. 13. Thursday. TH. Father. Mother. They.
Let's listen to the chant.
B. Listen, point, and chant. When's your birthday party?
When's your birthday party?
It's the third Thursday in June. I'll be 13 on Thursday. That's the third Thursday in June.
But June 13th is not a Thursday. It's the second Sunday in June.
Ask my mother or father. They said it was a Thursday in June.
When's your birthday party?
It's the third Thursday in June. I'll be 13 on Thursday. That's the third Thursday in June.
But June 13th is not a Thursday. It's the second Sunday in June.
Ask my mother or father. They said it was a Thursday in June.
Let's listen, read, and answer.
C. Listen and read along. Meet Sama from Egypt.
Ahlan wa sahlan. My name is Sama, and I live in Egypt. My brother's first birthday was on Thursday. My mother and father had a big party. They made a lot of food. Our friends came to the party. There were 2 large cakes and 13 small cakes. There were cookies and thin sandwiches, too. We played music. Then we danced and sang. It was fun.
Page 29. D. Choose the correct answer. Number 1.
What happened on Thursday?
Number 2.
How many small cakes were there?
Number 3.
What did they do at the party?
Answer the questions. What is this? 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 Give 15 words that start with TH sounds. Listen and write the words that you hear. Number 1. Thing, thing, thing. Number 2. Thanks, thanks, thanks. Number 3. Third, third, third. Number 4. Brother, brother, brother. Number 5. thirsty, thirsty, thirsty. Number 6, tooth, tooth, tooth. Read the words. Thank you very much. Have a good day.